you know is all a lie, all caught up in paradise, running away.
Okay, so tonight I'm planning on doing a bushcraft overnighter using only the stuff I have in my day pack. This is not a survival challenge. I do have a few luxury items, but I'm going to be sleeping underneath my full survival tarp. And I was thinking about setting it up here. So I took my rapid deployment ridge line between this tree and this tree over here. My tarp slanting down this way. With a fire out here in the front. There may be a fire reflector just out here. I think we'll be good to go.
Was gold. All along you've been a fool, and it's getting old. All you do is all routine, a careful schedule meant to clean your heart of anything that might disturb the peace and cause a fight. All you do is bury your head, you know you might as well be dead. But once you find the good, you'll learn to take the bad when it's your turn. All along you thought that you were better off if all you knew was gold. All along you've been a fool, it's getting old. All along you thought that you were better off if all you knew.
Okay guys, so my tea's done. Nice crispy streaky bacon and ribeye steak. Right guys, I'm gonna eat my tea. I'll catch up with you a bit later. Hi guys, time's 20 to 8, so it's not even particularly late, but I'm feeling quite tired. This fire absolutely cranking away. Morning guys. So I've been up for about 20 minutes now. It's 25 past 7. I've taken my tarp down and just laid it over on the side just to let any condensation from the morning dew to evaporate off. I'm just going to start packing down now. It's an alright night's sleep. It didn't take too long for me to fall asleep. I didn't really wake up with the cold until quite early this morning, not until about 3:30, 4:45, something like that. At which point I just restoked the fire, built that back up, went back to sleep, and then once the fire died down again I started dozing between about 6:30 and 7ish. Yeah, I haven't got any breakfast with me today. I'm just going to make an early start, head out. So I've just got to pack my stuff away, clear up the fire site, practice leave no trace principles, and then we're off. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please like and subscribe the video, and remember to hit that notification bell. When you hit the notification bell, please remember to hit all notifications. Till next time, guys.